Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, we are going to continue for homologous series. Homologous series is a series of compounds which all contain the same functional group from the next member by a constant CH2 unit. So what does it mean by this one? You have to take a look at the chemical formula of compounds given if all of them got the same functional group. And we call them as homologs for those members of the same homologous series. Usually, homologous series also related to the class of compound because all members of the same homologous series will have the same functional groups. There are a few characteristics of homologous series that you have to understand. The first one, it must obey a general formula. For example, you got alkane with CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, and alcohol. And for the n value, it can be integers. The next one, homologous series must differ from the successive homolog by a CH2 unit. So for example, we take class of compound alcohols. Alcohols contain the same functional group, which is hydroxyl group. The structure is OH, just like what I highlight here. For example, we got methanol with one carbon atom for alcohol, continued with the ethanol with two carbon atoms, and you can see that there will be an increase of carbon atoms by CH2 units for ethanol. The next one, we got propanol with an increase of 2 CH2 units. And same goes for butanol. You got 4 carbon atoms with this chemical formula. Please make it the number for CH2 and CH3 a bit smaller than what I wrote. There are a bit mistake there. I hope you can do this correction. So you can see butanol got 3 additional CH2 units. So the total of carbon atoms in butanol is 4. That's how you want to make it homologs differ from one another by looking at the difference number of CH2 units. Next one, we got properties with increasing number of carbon atoms for homologs. For example, you will have different physical properties for any compounds with 1 carbon atom to 3 carbon atoms. The state of those compounds will be gas. And once its carbon atoms are increasing from C4 to C10, the phase will be liquid. And for C11 and above, the phase of those compounds will be solid. It means that once the molecule has increased in size, there will be a gradual change in physical properties. For example, their boiling points will be increasing. The next one, all homologs will have same functional group. Next, all homologs will have similar chemical properties. So the reaction that they can do are similar to one another. And last one, homologs can be prepared by similar general methods. For example, you can prepare by using the same process for all homologs with the same functional group. So that's all for our video. I hope you are clear how to define homologous series and how to detect and examples of homologous series in any questions that you will encounter. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!